So the fried jalapenos, they smell spicy. I ordered the catfish special. My husband ordered the super nachos, supreme. I said super. Why do you call it New York Hill? New York Hill is on a historical reference. The management, who were often from the Northeast, lived on this hill. The homes had conveniences not available in their workers' home. Oh wow, you can bring your own bottle of beer or wine. The catfish was the bomb. Look at this little guy. We saw those on our window when we were sitting out there. I want to take you out here to show you the hummingbirds. Let's see if we see any, because look, they're all along there. Let's see if I can. How sweet! Oh my goodness. Try not to scare them. There's a ton of flies. Let me zoom out. Yeah, the catfish was good, and then especially being with what you got. We drove up this hill here. So I'll show you when we drive down. Didn't want to get that guy in the video. That's what it looks like. So this is the hill that we came up to get to the restaurant. The reason I noticed it is because I always would see these little restored homes down here. And I'd try to go look at them here. So they have that one that kind of looks like a gazebo. This one here, I don't know.
It's an old train thing.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, like a caboose.
There's like wasp and stuff, spiders. So, and then this one down here. I think the one that got my attention was this one over here that looks like a chapel. Yeah, this one right here, babe. Pretty sure you can't go in them, but this is I-20 going to Dallas from Abilene. I don't think you can open the door. I'll try. But I don't think you can open the door. Should I try to open the door? It doesn't say you can't open the door. Oh yeah, you can go in then. They have a guest book here. Let's sign our name. What's today? 7. This pen doesn't write. But Adrian and Irene, Luis, Seminole. Oops, I forgot how to spell Seminole. Did I spell it right? S-I-M-S-E-I-M Seminole. Goodness gracious. You want to get married? You always say that. You don't just say yes. Okay.
That's the confessional.
Yeah, so those are the confessionals. Have a piano there. An organ over here. And then the altar. Let's see what's over here. It's kind of what's in there, babe?
Yeah, that's the closet and stuff.
Huh? Oh, it's a bathroom? And here they have just like
This where the father would change and stuff, I see. Living quarters, I don't know how it was back in the day.
so over here there was a bathroom?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. There's a light. Wow. That wasn't very much light. I guess you could go to the bathroom here if you needed to. Then they have like this part back here that's like a, I guess that like a choir. There's stairs over there. I guess we can go up those stairs. Let's go fix this video, okay? Okay. It says on there that they're not responsible for accidents, so I guess that's assuming if, I don't know, one of the steps gives. I would not want to come look at this place at night. Okay, yeah, that's what it is. It's kind of like where the choir. Typically with Catholic church, the choir's is on the top if they have a 2-story. So, yeah, that's it. So you can kind of see down. And then there's those windows from outside. How neat. Those lights, I guess they turn on, huh?
Yeah,
There's the thing for the collections. Yeah, it looks like there's like some light switches or something. Yeah, they turn on, huh? Let me see, turn them on. Did it turn on over there?
No,
Oh, okay, it just turned on in here. I'm sure there's a light in there. So, we're gonna see if that one, we can go inside of that one. This fly just loves me. Oh, okay. So this one has a lock on it. You can't go in. And as I mentioned, that one over there has like bugs and stuff. Okay, so we decided to stay at the Marriott. We use our points. So this room only cost us $60. And it's really nice. It's the Marriott in Plano. Look at that huge mirror. It is so pretty. And this is a whole lot better than the Hilton Anatole. They have an indoor pool and everything. So it's really, really nice place. We've had a long day and I found my shoes in the right size. Here is the eating section. I have this mirror here. Here's what I wore to get here and what I wore all day. Just a little denim jacket with a white bodysuit, white shorts. I wore my ugly Louis Vuitton. My toe really started hurting. That's why I have a little napkin there. I wore my bandeau around my waist. And I did find my shoes. I had to go up to a 37, so those run half a size too small. This room is so pretty and spacious. It has like a little where you can hang your coat or purse or whatever. And it has like a little closet here. Here's another little hook, which that makes it really nice. I did wear my hat today too, and I really enjoyed wearing that. It was nice. It did get a little bit warm though, to be honest. So we have a desk here, huge television set, which is an awesome plus. Facing out there, we did a king bed. Now this bed is big, and I like it. Like it nice and big. And then we're just facing out. Let me see. I don't know if I can. There we go. So that's our view. Pretty nice, seems quiet. So yeah, pretty happy with this room. We're gonna rest. We have to go back early tomorrow. Uh-oh, now what did I do? Okay, I'll let my husband figure it out. Yeah, it's been a very productive day. I did find the right hangers at IKEA, which is amazing. I got 7 packets and they're gonna be good. We've had a really good successful trip. We went to Trader Joe's, we got all our spices, and I got my peanut butter that I really like from there. And what else? Yeah, we just had a really good day. We're only staying tonight and we're leaving early tomorrow. We did eat at Papacitos and that was really good too. I didn't take any pictures of our food or anything, but it was really, really good. So yeah, I will be showing you guys the update on my shoes, how they fit and everything, and why I had to go, and the way they look now that I went a size bigger. So I had a 36, I wanted a 36.5, and then they ended up having a 37, completely sold out online now. And I did buy something else that I'll share with you guys later on. So I'm tired, it's been a long day. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.